What's up, dog? What you think? Cold. Alright, we at Caberfae again. Here we are. Just Matt and I today. I'm gonna hit some parks for you folks. Get some boxes, just some rails. Be good to go. A lot of pain by the time we leave, but hey, it'll be worth it. See you on the hill. Ooh, look at this park. Oh, it looks so nice and inviting and fun and painful all at the same time. Park run. See how it works with the new handle, huh? We got the old stick back. That other one was just too cumbersome for this, what we're going to be doing. So Matt is going to be getting his run in right now. What you think, Matt? You ready? He's ready, folks. Let's see what he's got for us, huh? Here you are. That's real icy, buddy. No hesitation, just full commitment. That's what we need out of him. Like this, full commitment. Oh, baby! Oh, see? Gotta be prepared. We're going to take some lunch. Let Matt rest that one off a little bit. I think that's a good option. Alright, we're back from lunch. Matt's about to be out here killing it. He's feeling good now. Here we go. You ready, Matt? getting there. Oh my goodness, these lines are killer though.
I got scared. And we're back.
He got scared.
I got scared.
Look at these lines.
Oh, shoot me.
We ride for 30 seconds and wait in a line for 5 minutes.
Oh, just for me to get scared.
This might be the end, boys. Alright, one more run coming up. Matt says it's all me, so here we go.
You, bro.
Sorry, it's a short day. Lines are crazy. Hopefully these holiday weekends will pass this up pretty soon. We'll be rocking and rolling full days. See ya.